Alright, video blog check everybody, Azrael here. We're doing a movie review of Supergirl. So, napanood ko na yung movie kagabi sa IMAX Theater in SM Mall of Asia. Thank you so much kay Samsung Philippines for the invite. At ito nga, nakita na natin yung movie starring Millie Alcock as Supergirl. Okay, sa mga nanonood, no, spoiler alert lang muna. Kung hindi nyo pa napapanood, stop this video kasi may mga nasabi kong mga terms na talagang spoilers na siya. So, kung balak nyo panoorin, go ahead. So, yun, warning lang, spoiler alert. So, ito yung pangalawang version na nakita natin si Millie, no, as Supergirl. Kasi siya first movie ni Superman starring David Corenswet, nag-appear siya dun sa bandang ending ng movie na yun. At talagang nagpa-hype for the upcoming movie ng Supergirl. So yun, napanood ko na siya kagabi at masabi ko lang, okay yung movie, okay siya. It's if you're a movie fan ng mga superheroes, especially Superman or DC, it's good. It's good for me, it's good. But napansin ko, the movie is not for everyone. Kasi pag superhero movie, talagang ano tayo parang na-hype tayo, no, na talagang may maraming actions, very colorful, very entertaining, talagang it's very comics. Pero itong Supergirl, this is based from the yung comics ng Supergirl Woman of Tomorrow. Ito yung comics na pinamigay nila doon sa event kahapon. And it's the story is based from here sa comics na to, no? Kaya maganda namigay sila ng ganitong comics para, malaman mo yung origin ng story na it came from the comic book na talagang kinonekta nila dun sa bagong DC Cinematic Universe, no? Connected dun sa Superman ni James Gunn. And here we are, Supergirl na talagang connected. I'm very excited na for the upcoming connections niya for the Superman Man of Tomorrow. Pero yun, no, masabi ko lang, no, na-mention ko kanina, it's not for everyone. Kasi for me, nung napanood ko siya, hindi siya superhero movie. For me, it's like an adventure movie. Like, si Superman kasi, sa Earth lang siya. So, everything is evolving yung storyline sa Earth. Ito kay Supergirl, sobrang lawak ng mundo niya. Ag-base siya dun sa, kumbaga, galaxy, planets, other universe, whatever. Talagang, parang sabi nga ni Superman, off-world yung kanyang pinanggagaling. Kasi parang, story nito, nasa journey si Supergirl celebrating her birthday at eto na nga, na-encounter niya yung mga mag-start ng kanyang adventure. So, una ko nakita si Millie Alcock, no, for this Supergirl movie. Para sa akin, okay naman siya. It's very cute, very adorable siya as her character as Supergirl or Kara. So, makikita mo, no, yung kanyang storyline, it's much of the opposite versus Superman, no? Superman kasi from Earth, very lively, magalang siya. So, wala siyang parang matinding hugot. Kasi lumaki siya ng maganda Maganda yung kanyang kinalakihan, Kansas family, the Kent family. Maganda yung pagpapalaki sa kanya. Kaya Supergirl, grabe. For the background story, very tragic, very dark. Talagang adaming hugot niya. Kaya malalaman nyo yung kanyang ugali, parang saan siya lulugar sa mundo nito as a one of the few people or last from the planet Krypton. Kaya natuwa siya na sundan niya yung kanyang pinsan na si Superman sa Earth para nabigyan siya ng bagong buhay, nabigay sa kanya ng pera kasi ayaw din niya masawi doon sa kanilang mundo. So, if you're reading the comics, it's similar to that, no, yung storyline, no? Kaya masabi ko lang, it's different perspective for a comic fan, movie fan, lalo na kung Supergirl fan pag alam na alam mo yung mga storyline nila, no. Masabi ko lang din other characters ng story kasi nagre-revolve yung story from si Ruthie, kumbaga actress na si Eve Ridley, yung bata doon. At parang may nabasa ko, may halong Pinay siya, no? Parang tama ba? I read some news na halo siyang Pinay. And also si Jason Momoa as Lobo. So parang for the performance ng tatlong yun, napakagaling. Also the villain is also good. So makikita mo lang dito, no, si Supergirl, not just a super powered being, and also just a normal girl na rin din. At doon mo makikita yung parang saan ba nanggagaling yung powers nila? Ano ba yung, alam natin yung weakness nila is kryptonite no? Pero that's another part ng storyline ng mga Kryptonians, no? Ano ba yung mga other weaknesses nila? Ano ba yung strength nila palagi? At nakakatuwa no na we see Supergirl from the start na talagang underdog siya, laging nabubuli, and then after that gaganti siya because of her super power. So yun, masabi ko lang, it's not for everyone, it's not for everybody. If you don't like Millie Alcock, eh sa inyo na yun. No? Ako, nagustuhan ko si Millie for her role. Very cute, very adorable siya. Na-enjoy ko yung pag-portray niya as Supergirl. Comparing to the TV series, no, kay Melissa na Supergirl. Ganon din yung style niya, very adorable, very cute, very bubbly, comedic. Dito parang ganon din. Parang ang style is much younger version ni Kara na as Supergirl na rin din. So nakakatawa yung kanyang outfit, no? Trench coat, ganyan. It's similar to the comic book. Similar to the comic book. Actually, hindi ko pa nababasa yung comics eh. Pero actually may plano sana akong bilhin tong the entire book, no. Kaso wala na ako ng time. So ayan, no. Ito siya, oh, naka-trench coat din tapos Supergirl. It's very similar to the comics. Nakakatuwa, no, na yun yung direction na pinunta nila. Not that Superman thing. Parang gusto nilang ihiwalay eh. Kasi siguro baka maumay tayo sa ganong styles. Kaya ginawa nila, yung style is ganitong style based doon sa comics na to na Supergirl Woman of Tomorrow. At saka they're planning to use the Superman Man of Tomorrow sa next film ni James Gunn. So I guess para at least yung Tomorrow is naka-label kay Superman. Ever since the 80s eh, kasi may comics the Man of Tomorrow eh. May Superman kasi na comics eh. So going back to Supergirl, do not expect something na na talagang very colorful siya. Pero for me it's very dark. Kaya siya PG-13 eh. Very dark at very kumaga violent yung yung mga action scenes doon na talagang ini-expect mo na okay, gano'n pala siya. Gano'n, malakas, gano'n. Everything's very chaotic, magulo, madumi, madaming tawag dito, action scenes na hindi pwede sa bata. Kaya kailangan pag nakasama kay bata, samahan nyo sila sa manonood, explain nyo after. Kasi kailangan talaga ng parental guidance. Kasi may mga shocking parts doon na parang makaka-shock para sa bata. No? Baka maka-apekto sa kanila yon. So, sinanong ko, kasama ko yung anak ko, nanood kami ng Supergirl. Tinanong ko, anong masabi mo? Sabi niya, okay lang. Sabi ko, okay ba sa'yo si Millie as Supergirl? Okay daw for him, sabi niya. Para sa akin, okay din si Millie. For me, siya na yung aking Supergirl for this generation. And also for the movie, I want to see more Supergirl. Para mas gusto ko yung Supergirl na lang kaysa Superman. Kasi mas gusto ko yung team na pinakita nila na talagang off-world yung topic, no, ni Supergirl. Talagang sa ibang mundo na maraming nangyayari. Parang sabi nga nila, it's like parang Mad Max style daw. Ang combination, very kumbaga Guardians of the Galaxy. Well, expected ko kasi parang ganun yung team, no. I'm expecting a lot of rock and roll music or para music video, no. Pero konti lang siya. Parang di iniwasan nila yung ganung style. So yun, masabi ko, for me, okay siya. Not that super okay. May part lang doon na talang medyo teary eyes ako ng konti. Kasi talagang nag-fan geek ako for a short while. Pero yun lang. May small part lang doon. Pero not the entire movie. Just like the Superman movie. Kasi Superman movie kasi it's very different. It's very brand new. Very raw pa nung kay James Gunn. Pero sa Supergirl, na-curious talaga ako. Kasi hindi ko binasa yung comics eh. Kasi kung nabasa mo yung comics, maintindihan mo yung story. Ako hindi ko binasa. Pero yun nga, it's all about something to do with crypto, tsaka yung journey niya to develop ano ba talaga yung mission niya sa buhay niya. Parang gano'n. No? So maintindihan niya. And, makita nyo rin din si David Cornsworth as Superman hero. Kasi nakita naman sa trailer. At I was hoping na may malaking appearance siya dito na talagang makikipagbakbakan siya. Pero abangan nyo na lang din. Nagkasalita na atawa ng too much information. So yun. So I'll end on my video here. So thank you guys so much for watching. Medyo mahaba yung video ko for Supergirl. Matagal na ako hindi gumagawa ng video movie review and also reaction after watching this movie. So yun, thank you guys for watching. So don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. And I'll see you guys in the next video vlog adventure. Or kita-kits sa next movie. Ano ba next natin? Spider-Man?